In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play All the Mods 9 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a dedicated server for All the Mods 9. Essentially, for you to play All the Mods 9 with your friends, one of you will have to host a server either on your own computer or acquire a dedicated server, which is what I'm gonna go more in depth in this video, and everyone else will be able to join that server that is being hosted or join the dedicated server via the IP. So, of course, the first thing that all of you should have to do is go over to the CurseForge website or the launcher, make sure that you have the latest version of All the Mods 9 or a specific one that you would like to play together. Everyone who is going to be playing needs to have the same version of All the Mods 9. So either update to the latest one or just choose a specific one here. You can tell them apart by the numbers that follow after the title. So All the Mods 9 0.3, 0.2, 0.61, 0.2.60, and so on. Once everyone installs the same version, then all that you would have to do is go over to multiplayer and join together. Now, if you don't know how to set up a server on your own computer, this is going to be a very complicated process. It's something that I can't really go over in this video because it can be quite lengthy, and you will need to download specific files, set up the mod pack, and then share your IP with your friends. So the best option that you have is to host a server on this dedicated partner. So if you go over to the All the Mods 9 page, you can find this banner, save 20% off of the first month using coupon code AllTheMods. So Ackless is essentially who is going to be hosting the dedicated server for you. You can click on that banner and you will be able to get a dedicated server. This is also better because if you are hosting a server on your computer, the host needs to be on at all times. And if you have a dedicated server instead, the server will run 24/7. You don't need to have someone who is always online to keep the server open, so everyone can play whenever they want to. You can host All the Mods 9, 8, and even 6. So all that you have to do is click see pricing plans for more options or click buy now if you would like to just go ahead, and you can see the tiers that they have. They have Hero tier, Adventurer tier, Titan tier, and Super OP. Depending on the one that you choose, it is going to be a little bit more per month, and as you can see, you can host not only Minecraft, but also a lot of other games. And if you want the cheaper option, you will still be able to set it up. It's just a lightweight server. So just host one of these servers available here, and you will be able to get your All the Mods 9 server up and running by using one of these services. I hope I was able to help you on how to play All the Mod 9s with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.